What's up, my dudes? It's Demi, and today we are at Splish Splash Water Park. This is New York's largest outdoor water park, and it is my first time here. So I am super excited to check out this place, see what it has to offer, and just have the best day. So let's get into it. Let's check out Splish Splash, and let's go get into some hijinks. Splish Splash is located out east on Long Island in Calverton, New York. You can drive here. Parking is $30. There is also a train that takes you 10 minutes from the park on the Long Island Railroad. My park ticket was $50. They also have some add-ons. You can do a save your place in line for $60, a cut wait time in half for $70, and a reduced wait up to 90% for $130. But we're not gonna do any of that today. They do have lockers here, and you should bring your own towel. Otherwise, you'd have to buy one here. So Splish Splash has 30 attractions ranging from surfing attractions to lazy river, and of course lots of slides, body and tube slides. I personally love starting off on a tube slide to kind of get me into the spirit, so we're gonna check out Dragon's Den. There are cubbies to put your shoes, but they actually said my Tevas are fine to go on the attraction. And by the way, I have these linked in my Amazon storefront. I highly recommend them. They are super comfortable and supportive. Dragon's Den is a two-person attraction. It only has double tubes. It has a toilet bowl slide, and I'm so hyped. I really like how they have the ride rating on the attraction. So this one is a 3 for aggressive. There's also a weight max on this ride, and I'm sure there will be for some others. Oh my god, look at the dragon in there. That's so cool. Please don't let us go backwards. Oh, we're gonna go backwards. Oh no, we're gonna go backwards. No. Oh my god, that was so cool. That was so fun. That was so fast. Oh my gosh. That ride took a long time to load. They did not have many tubes, so I'm glad we did it now before it got really busy. My heart's like still racing from it. That was awesome. So right next door is our next attraction, Hyperlight. This is supposed to have some cool lights and maybe some sounds in it. It's this blue and white slide right here. It's a 2 on the intensity scale. And I just want to point out, I really love that they have us wait down here for the ride instead of having to wait on the staircases, because those get kind of scary sometimes. So maximum weight for single tubes is $250, and for double, it's $400. So far, this is not a very plus size friendly park. Get yourself a friend who carries a 2-person tube all by themselves. Well, this one has 2 different slides. I don't think there's any difference though. That's cool, makes it go faster. Oh, it's so cold again. Oh my gosh. Ah, here we go. Oh my god. Ah, it's like a rave. Oh my god, it's so fast. Gracefully getting out of tubes. That was literally amazing. It was so fun with the lights and the music, and then it just got like so fast. I've never experienced a water slide like that before. It was literally like a rave. That was amazing. We made it over by the wave pool and finally found an area with some lounge seating. There's also additional lockers over here, and then there's the ones at the front of the park as well. That's it. Right behind the wave pool is Bombs Away and Riptide Racer. Bombs Away is the one inside the tubes, and then the Racers where you can race your friends down those open slides at the end. Riptide Racers is a 300-pound limit and a 42-inch height requirement, and Bombs Away is a 300-pound limit and a 48-inch height requirement, and this is a body slide. Oh, okay, it shows you which line is for which attraction. I got confused. All right, got my racing mat. This is super high up. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, look at this drop on this slide. I don't know which one it is. Wow. Oh, this is the water coaster. That is awesome. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to do that. I did the water coaster over at the DreamWorks water park over in New Jersey, the largest indoor water park. And I also did it over at Volcano Bay, and I will link both of those videos here and put them in the description box below. Oh my gosh, here we go. All right, I call red. Oh my gosh, this is steep. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. me. That's so weird. I didn't even get that far down. And my friend started on the right and ended up on the left. He won. Well, it's fine. But I really win because I win in fun. All right, back on the other line, and we're gonna do the body slide. The blue and the green one bombs away. I think it's one of those where the floor opens and you drop, but the drop really isn't too bad. I have done some pretty intense drop slides. We have to hold our shoes. Okay, here we go. Oh boy. Oh my god, here we go. Oh my god.
2, 1.
Oh, that was crazy. Oh, that was so fast. Look what they called their restroom here, dudes and dudettes. But personally, as you know, on this channel, I'm a dude, he's a dude, she's a dude. We're all dudes on this channel. We're all dudes. I think it's the perfect greeting, my dudes, because you are my dudes. So we walked down this really steep hill. We wanted to hit up Dinosaur Falls, which is this slide right here. It's like a family slide, little less intense. You have to come all the way down to get your tube. And we realized we're back at the front of the park. Dinosaur Falls is it's a moderate attraction, 42-inch height requirement, 250 max weight for single, 400 for a double tube. Single tubing it this time. Changing it up, but I'm ready for like an easy slide after all day. I'm dead. Look at the fake Jurassic Park Jeep, and it says Dinosaur Falls on it. That's so funny. Rawr. This was the fastest line out of all of them so far because there's a bunch of different entries to this slide. Woo. Oh my god. Oh no! It's okay! Well, I think we have earned ourselves some lunch. We are over by the wave pool by Cluck and Hops, and what's really cool is that they have mobile ordering, so you don't have to wait on that line. Here they have wings, boneless wings, fries. I was gonna get a margarita, but it's $17 for something that's like probably pre-mixed. I was like, no. And then they have beer, salsa, and soda. We got the boneless Nashville hot. It smells so good, and it's a huge portion. So that makes me feel better, and it comes with fries. That's actually kind of hot, like legit. My mouth is kind of on fire right now. That's so good though. Really tasty, nice and crispy, came out hot. Well done, Splish Splash, on your boneless wings. That was really good. Okay, we are finally gonna hit up that water coaster. Bootleggers Run, not Smugglers Run, as I had to remind my party this is not Disney. Whoa, bootleggers. Welcome to Noble's Holler. Shh, the law is watching. Oh, this is a long line. So this ride is up to 4 people and max weight is 700 pounds. Literally took 50 minutes for this attraction. I am supposed to go into the back, so we'll see how that goes. Oh my gosh, here we go. Oh my god.
Bye guys.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Oh my god. Like, it took so long to get up there that by the time like we got up there, I kind of forgot like, oh my gosh, we're about to go on a roller coaster, and it was so good. And then the water at the end though was so cold. Freezing right now because I was already completely dry by the time we finished waiting for the attraction. But wow, it was so fun. All right, next up we are hitting Hollywood Stunt Rider. This is a big family raft ride. 36-inch height requirement, up to 4 guests, and 700 pounds max. This ride is entirely in the dark, but I do love that we don't have to schlep up a tube. Oh my gosh, here we go. The loading system on this ride is so much better because they have 2 sides, so when one is loading, the other one can go. So we didn't really wait that long for this one, which is great because we lost a lot of time with the water coaster. Oh, it immediately fills up with water. I was gonna go for the backwards.
Oh god.
Oh no, not the water. Oh, I hate it. Oh no.
I hate it.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
It was natural.
I told the team, do not curse. Immediately curses. So right next door we have a body slide called the Giant Twister. It's rated 3 out of 4 for intensity. It's a body slide, 42 inches tall, 250 maximum weight. Oh my gosh, it's just like a gush of water. Oh, cold, so cold. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, it's so fast! It's so fast! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! My glasses! I found them! Pro tip, do not wear sunglasses on that attraction because they will cut them off. Luckily I found mine. There's lots of water up my nose as well. That was really fast. It was really good though. Next up is Mammoth River Expedition. 3 out of 4 aggression. It's this orange and yellow attraction. It's a family attraction. 1,000 pounds is the weight limit. Loading on both sides. So apparently I have found out that when my husband was in high school, he came to Splish Splash and he jumped out of this ride because he was a stupid high school boy. Naughty, naughty, Mr. Antics. Don't do that. Oh, that's rude. Oh my god! Ah! Oh my gosh! Oh! Stop it, Jerry! Oh my god, this goes really high up. Oh no! All right, it is time for the alien invasion. Look at that funnel. I'm honestly so terrified right now. I'm so excited. This is the next most popular ride after the water coaster. I didn't see the sign about what the weight limit is, but it's a 48-inch height requirement. Oh my God, this looks insane. Okay, this is actually pretty cool. They're playing like sci-fi alien music. You can't really hear it, it's really far in the background, but look at this. This is so cool. 45-minute wait for this one. And you're probably like, Demi, why did you do the 2 biggest attractions, most popular attractions late in the day? Well, we had a 3rd person come later and we wanted to wait to do all these family-sized ones when they got here. So there you go, that's the main reason. Otherwise, definitely rope drop, this one and the water coaster. Oh my God.
I'm going back.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Stop cursing! Stop cursing! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my gosh! That was so intense. My heart is racing. That was so fun. Oh my gosh. Wow. What a way to end our day here at Splish Splash. Well, my dudes, my hair looks like Roman Reigns, so that must mean it is the end of the day here at Splish Splash. I had so much fun. I cannot believe it took me this long to finally come here. This has been on my bucket list forever. I feel like I've seen commercials forever, and I never made it out here, and I'm so glad I did. We did so much today. Definitely rope dropped the coaster and the alien ride. Those are the longest waits. Obviously, we had a little bit of a different thing today, and that's fine. We still did so much and had so much fun, and I hope to be able to come back to Splish Splash very, very soon. This was so great. So let me know in the comments, What did you think of Splish Splash? Have you been to Splish Splash? Would you come to Splish Splash? Let me know all of it in the comments below. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss anything that goes on this channel. Follow me on Instagram at Magical Hijinx. Check out the Patreon, become a patron, get exclusive bonus content, bonus lives, help with trip planning, access to our Discord, and so much more. And you'll be helping me to continue bringing you great content like this to this channel. And until next time, my dudes, I hope you guys get to some hijinks very, very soon. Now go watch my DreamWorks water park video. Bye-bye.